Welcome to Schneider Hall, your home away from home. Hey, Ro.
Gang, get this bitch. You already know, for them all that shit, man. You know, we already on the block and shit. You know.
It's okay though, cause the Carolina Panthers gonna win.
Once we get 14-10, bro, that's the game, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you, fool. Once we get 14-10, that's the game, bro. They just got 4 3, bro. They got 4 straight 3 and out. 4 straight. That count. That's 4. That's 4, bro. That
Broncos win 21-17. Yeah, what is this?
I told you to watch me when I did, nigga.
I had to keep it on spades, so when he played the ace, I could get my queen out.